When I present, I tell audiences, you don't know what you don't know. It's one of my favourite things to say because it genuinely taps into technology's true intent and purpose. I love how it creates light bulb moments when after a presentation, someone shares what they learned and tells me they didn't realise they don't know what they don't know. Our knowledge is often limited to our experiences, and the experience I have is different to someone else's. When you close yourself off to learning, you miss the opportunity to grow and be challenged. To me, you don't know what you don't know is not simply a quote. It's my mantra to encourage me to continually be asking, is there something that I don't know that could make me more productive and less stressed? Give yourself the gift today of being open to exploring. If you'd like more productivity tips and insights, sign up to my free monthly productivity pointers.